laying close by your side. I know something's on your mind, 'cause it feels like you've been pushing me away. You used to call me each night and morning.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are just sitting down right here, listening to the beautiful water, taking my son out for a walk. See these flowers? Yeah, Bubba. You want to throw them, don't you? And whenever there's a car goes by, he watches because he likes watching cars. I don't know if I want to walk all the way over there because there's these scary dogs that bark and chase after you, and one of them bite, and I wouldn't want them to bite me or my son if we walk past them, so I run for my life if they're outside. So I don't know if we'll go past that house. But yeah, we're just enjoying the outside and just sitting right here, listening to the water. The water's down there. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background. Hey, Bubba! So yeah, all these little buggies are flying by. They're annoying a little bit. Just listening to the sound of nature and relaxing is really nice. Takes a lot off my mind. So I hope you guys enjoy our walk with us. I'm going to possibly get some pictures through our walk, so I'll be posting those in the video as well. And yeah, he's watching the water with me. You guys, I am putting a clip of us watching the water, and let me know in the comment below if it's relaxing to you like it is to us right now. As you can tell by my son's face, it's relaxing to him. Like getting away from everyone and relaxing. Look at this, guys, my hair is growing so long. I love it. I'm trying to grow it down to my ass. But yeah, we're going to continue listening to this lovely water for a little bit longer, and then we're going to go take some pictures somewhere, and then we're going to walk a little bit more and then go home. Say bye. Wait.